This is the 6th of 7 videos in our series where we're going to teach you about the gear that you need to go fishing and how to put it all together so that big one doesn't fall off your hook. In this video, we're going to teach you the different equipment that you need to go bait fishing. So there's a few things you're going to need. You're going to need a rod, a reel that has a fishing line on it, a swivel, a spinner, and a hook. And that's not all. You also need to have the bait that's going to attract those fish to your line so that you can reel them in and show everybody what you got. So you're going to also need to get some worms or use some artificial bait. So in this video, we're going to teach you all about the different equipment and how to put it together.
Here we have just the rod from your fishing rod. Attached to that is the reel, which contains the fishing line and helps you reel in fish. We loop the line through the eyelets so that we can attach the swivel, which is this little thing right here. This gets attached to the spinner, which then gets attached to the hook. You can use either a barbed or a barbless hook. If you want to keep the fish that you catch, use a barbed hook, and if you would like to catch and release them, use a barbless hook. Here you can see the swivel, spinner, and hook set up in the order that they are attached. The clasp at the bottom of the swivel gets attached to the spinner through the spinner's eyelet, and then the hook gets attached to the spinner through the little opening at the bottom of the spinner. Here you can see them all being put together. We then tie our line to our hook, swivel, and spinner with a simple knot. And our rod is set up. You can use artificial lures like these ones or worms, which are pretty easy to find. Check garden soil, fields, lawns, or anywhere with loose soil. Once you get your bait on your hook, you're good to go. Now to go over what we talked about, what gear do you need to go fishing? You need a rod, a reel with fishing line, a swivel, spinner, and hook, reel or artificial bait, and a bait box or a tackle box.
The next video is the last one in our series. In this one, we're going to take everything you've learned, put it together, and you're going to practice your fishing technique so you can catch that fish. To help you try to remember all the information in this video so that you don't forget anything when you go fishing, check out the link in the description to our worksheet that you can fill out and test out your knowledge.